Just got my YarnBox Classic shipment for August 2017 in the mail. So let's see what I got. Ooh, a beautiful blue. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay. Let's check this stuff out. Which I'm not going to read through all this, but I'm going to pause it if you want to take the time to read. Let's see. Your yarn box includes 3 skeins of Ulta Truth, a yarn co-created with input from yarn shops and designers across the country. Truth is an extremely soft blend of 80% merino wool and 20% alpaca for a lightweight yet warm yarn with fine twist. Each DK weight skein includes 298 yards and a 100 gram skein, giving you 894 yards total for your next project. It's on the back. Oh yes, you can actually, if you missed a past box, you can check their overstock section. Okay, so the patterns, your free knit pattern, if you have this subscription, your free knit pattern, it is a digital download. Oh, that is pretty. You'll see what the free crochet pattern is. That's pretty too. So as you can see, there's all different colorways you can get. So there's a light blue, there's a purple. The one I got for the loom knit pattern was red, which it actually took 2 skeins, so I have 1 left. But this, I'm going to open up and have a look, because this is a very pretty color. And one thing that was really cool is that it does come with a tag that you can sew in. Now what I made was a baby bunting. We have a new little addition to the family, little Miss Tori Jean. She is a month old, and it's actually my other half. It's his great niece. So I used my yarn and made a really super cute baby bunting, which direct link for that will be in the video description below, with the blogger article where you can get the PDF and the video tutorial. I will also, oh, I didn't get any links here. Okay. I guess their Ravelry group, the only link I got this time. But yeah, I'll put information about how you can get your own YarnBox shipment. And remember, for my loom knitters, every other month is a loom knit pattern. So August is a loom knit pattern. October will be my next loom knit pattern. You can actually set up your subscription to where you do get every other month. So if you don't needle knit and you don't crochet, you only loom knit, you can get only the loom knit boxes. So that's really an awesome feature that I really like about this company. Guys, that's all I've got for you. This is a really pretty blue. There's a little baby boy that was born into the family a few months ago too, so maybe I will have to make him a matching bunting for the winter. Alright, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.